So ICS, just in case, stands for Industrial Control System. So just to make sure everybody is using the same acronym. These are basically some dedicated system controlling a physical process to output something, whether clothing, paper, chemicals, minerals, everything. So these are basically a blend of IT technology and specific vendor technologies being assembled in an industrial environment to output something like a second transformation and so on. And so once you get a grasp of this, you clearly see the stark difference in between cybersecurity and your own personal safety in these environment. It's not to say there's no control, but you need to be very cautious about what you're engaging in daily activities in OT environments.
Hmm. And when you say, you need to be cautious about what you're doing within a daily OT environment, are you talking about from a physical standpoint? Are you talking from a network standpoint? Is it yes? I mean, what types of things are you talking about?
All of it. So my colleagues and I, we tend to advocate for cybersecurity by design, and it can come really really far. So physically and logically separated system, let's say dedicated Active Directories, dedicated firewalls for some key network segments, and it goes on because you might see some logical separation of any given equipment whenever there's a vulnerability or human error, which happen more often than cyber attacks. You can bring a whole facility down. I've got colleagues of mine who were working on a SAN system claiming that, yeah, the backplane is completely redundant and that's fine, but a wrong firmware upgrade brought the whole facility down. So there are no cutting corners because you get to see the obvious. And for most of the companies we work with, this is the money printing machine. So whenever production stops, this is where the huge losses come from.